Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a Mercari account. So first head over to mercari.com, and at the top corner of your screen, you can easily see here the sign up link. So just click on it, and from here you can basically start creating an account. You can create an account using the following through Google, Facebook, or Apple account, or you can also just proceed by starting with your email address. So just type in your email and, of course, add in a password. Make sure that you read the terms of service and privacy policy and tick the box. Then click on the sign up button. Now, depending on the country or region you are in, you should be able to get through the sign up page and complete creation of your account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!